Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are going to explore the Toyota Motorhome 2026, a groundbreaking model that redefines how luxury, practicality, and adventure come together in one package. Toyota has always been known for its reliability and smart engineering, but with this motorhome, they are stepping into a new dimension by offering something that blends futuristic design with everyday functionality. For travelers, families, or anyone who dreams of taking the road with comfort and class, this motorhome is a complete game changer. Let's break it down in detail and see why it is one of the most anticipated motorhomes of the year. The first thing that grabs attention is the exterior. The Toyota Motorhome 2026 carries a sleek, aerodynamic design that feels very different from the bulky, boxy RVs we are used to seeing. The front fascia is bold, featuring Toyota's sharp LED headlights and a stylish grille that looks more like it belongs on a premium SUV than a motorhome. The body has been sculpted with smooth lines that improve both looks and aerodynamics, which is crucial for fuel efficiency on long trips. Large tinted panoramic windows wrap around the sides, giving the motorhome a very modern presence, while also allowing natural light to flood the interior. The vehicle sits high on durable alloy wheels that are ready for long-distance touring. Toyota also integrates practical features like roof-mounted solar panels for off-grid living and a power-retractable awning that creates an instant outdoor lounge area wherever you park. It's the kind of design that doesn't just look good but also makes life on the road more enjoyable. When you step inside, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 feels less like an RV and more like a luxury apartment on wheels. Toyota has gone all out with premium materials, and the result is a cabin that feels warm, inviting, and extremely well thought out. The seating area uses high-grade leather with contrast stitching, creating both comfort and style. The living area is spacious with a multifunctional sofa that converts into extra sleeping space, complemented by a smart entertainment system with a large screen and surround sound. The open-plan design flows into the kitchen, which is compact but fully equipped with high-tech appliances such as an induction cooktop, a microwave oven, a smart refrigerator, and plenty of cabinets for storage. Ambient LED lighting throughout the interior can be customized for brightness and color, making the atmosphere adaptable to any mood, whether it's a relaxing evening or a lively gathering with friends. The sleeping quarters are another highlight. Depending on the configuration, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 comes with either a queen or king-size bed fitted with a memory foam mattress designed for maximum comfort. Large windows around the bed give you breathtaking views of wherever you park, whether that's a beach, forest, or mountain site. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious, featuring a full shower with glass doors, premium fixtures, and in some models even a washer and dryer combination. Every inch of the interior has been carefully designed to maximize both comfort and practicality, making long journeys feel like living at home rather than traveling. Performance is another area where Toyota has pushed the limits. Unlike traditional gas-hungry RVs, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with advanced electric motors. This not only provides impressive mileage for a vehicle of its size, but also reduces emissions significantly, making it a more eco-conscious choice. The hybrid system delivers smooth acceleration and quiet operation, while the regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery on the go. Drivers will appreciate the adaptive suspension system that ensures a stable, comfortable ride even when traveling through uneven roads. With multiple driving modes available, the motorhome adapts whether you're cruising highways, navigating city streets, or tackling light off-road terrain. The handling feels surprisingly refined, showing that Toyota has managed to bring their SUV expertise into the motorhome segment. Toyota has also made sure this motorhome comes equipped with their latest safety and driver assistance technologies. You'll find adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a full 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering such a large vehicle much easier. Parking sensors and automated steering assist help with tight spots, while collision avoidance technology keeps you and your passengers safe on long trips. This gives peace of mind to families who want to travel without worrying about safety risks on the road. When it comes to pricing, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 positions itself as a luxury product, but still offers great value for what it delivers. The expected starting price is around $140,000, with premium trims reaching up to $180,000, depending on customization and additional packages. While this is not cheap, the combination of Toyota's proven reliability, advanced hybrid technology, and luxury interior puts it at the top of its category. It's designed for customers who don't just want an RV, but a lifestyle investment that allows them to travel anywhere in comfort and style. In conclusion, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is more than just a vehicle, it's a complete travel experience. From its futuristic exterior design and luxury-filled interior to its hybrid performance and advanced safety features, Toyota has created something that challenges the way we think about motorhomes. For families, adventurers, or luxury travelers,